Another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen, and Michael's behind the camera. Michael, say hi to everyone.
Hey everyone.
Hey guys, it's been a long time, but like you guys always know, I always have something to tell you guys. Know if you get back, Michael, you can show everybody this big jumbo thing that I got here. This is a what do you call it, Michael?
Rotisserie.
A rotisserie. That means that I can put pollo or beef or pork, anything I want, lamb, and spin it, and cook it. Now this rotisserie, it came with the book and everything. And the book says whoever bought that, they bought it in 1999. Yes or no, Michael?
Oh yeah.
But since I don't like to be lying to people and stuff like that, I like to say it like it is. This is the book, and that cost me $6.99. There, right?
Hold on, me.
When they said they bought it.
Hold on.
In 1999.
There you go.
Yes or no? You can see
May
it.
29.
And day of what? Received June 8, 1999.
Yep.
Yeah, so it was bought $5.29, but they deliver on that day. So anyway, I wanted to show you this. So that's our old school.
Ancient.
We bought it at the halfway store. I mean, at my halfway, at my discount store that we go to, and we bought it. It only cost us $6.99. So you can see, look at all the things that it has. The handles. It doesn't even have like temperature, but it tells you here on the side how you can cook it or not. I know rotisseries are not $2 out there. They cost a little bit. So we came home, we cleaned it. It came with a whole bunch of baskets, like to do all different types of things. You can put vegetables, potatoes, all kinds of stuff you can cook in there. So what I did was, I told Michael, let me get 2 of them little birdie birds, eh? And what I did was, as you can see, I season it with salt. You come over here, Michael. You can see salt, no pepper, but salt, garlic, a little bit of oregano, and everything to taste. And when I say to taste, I'm talking about like a teaspoon of everything. No more than that. The only thing that I put 2 teaspoons of was my fajita seasoning spice, okay? So half a teaspoon of everything, half a teaspoon of New Mexico chili pepper. Right here is very strong, just 1/4 of a teaspoon, and a little bit of olive oil. So what I did was, as you can see here, I put it all together, you see? Season everything, and on the holes here, I opened the holes and I put a little bit of fajita seasoning mix. Okay, but as you can see, all that seasoning. So now what I'm gonna do, guys, with you guys, because I've never done this, so I wanna see, what do you think, Mike? So yes, I did wash my hands, but do you think I should put them like both in the hole, because it's 2 of them, and not just put them both together, or put 1 on each, like 1 on one side, but then I don't want it to like break or anything. That came with this, so you can sit this plate while you're like, you know, dressing this up. That's one.
There you go.
And then
you put
this
the
is
other
the
one.
other one, right?
Yeah.
And the other one, there you go.
There you go.
They both
Because they're
fit
little
one.
guys.
Yeah,
they're only
little
3
guys.
pounds,
so
guys.
You look like they're dripping,
And if you want,
guys.
you can
and then I
even-
have my tray
Wow,
there.
that's a masterpiece.
So let me rinse my hands.
I gotta take a picture of
real
that.
quick.
Hold on 1 second.
And now what I gotta
Hold on,
do.
I gotta take a picture of that. That is beautiful. Hold on.
Yeah, but remember that this has to be, you see, we're not going to be able to. Because you see, it has to be, these have to be, you see? You see? Because they're not, okay. They're not thing, like, they got to be separated.
What do you mean,
in
Mom?
order, like, you see what I'm trying to do here? Okay, guys, just stick with me, okay? You see, both are there. But now, the lid on the top.
So maybe you
before
put 1
we
on
put it
each.
in,
Maybe you put 1 on each one.
you see, they gotta be kind of like separated, and it's not gonna be able.
Maybe you
to.
put 1 on each one.
So that's what. Okay. So I have my thing here. You're talking about like 1 on each one separated.
Yes.
Okay. Let's see here. I'm gonna have to. You know, we can
No, you don't have to do
put
that.
thing on this. Remember?
No, you don't have to.
Oh, I don't have to. Okay. So yeah, this is like that. So we'll put 1 on each, right? Right? Think so, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we were supposed. Damn, I'm so dumb, and I should have done that. But I never had one of these, and I always wanted one of these. But you know how it is. Sometimes you don't have the money to do things like right then and there. So I saw this one for $6.99, guys. I mean, isn't it a steal? I think it is. I'm gonna tell you right now. You see how it clicked? Here, take that and dry it on that side. Dry that. Yeah. And then give me that, dry that side. Okay, guys.
Okay, you want to make sure that's dry, guys, before you put it in.
Yeah. The legs are gonna hang a little bit. So how do I tie them up, Michael? It says that I need like...
You need that string.
Yeah, but what string is that I gotta put? You know what string it is? We don't have it, right?
You can actually use yarn. We can come back.
And put what? But what do you put on, like to hold it? What do we hold it with? Twisties, you think? Or that supermarket rubber band that they have for food at the supermarket. So I don't know what to do. I don't know if I can leave it, because if I tie it with something, I can take a twisty and, oh, you know what we can do? I think we can take some of that strings that we have, right? So we come back and I found this. This is some kind of like little rope thing that you can use like for food, for stews, for roast. You can tie together so that it doesn't come apart. I used to use it for some beef flanc steak roast that I used to make, you know what I'm saying, and grill them together. So this is something that you can use. So what we're gonna do right now, right, Michael? We're gonna turn it on. Michael, you wanna turn it on and do the honors? Michael's gonna turn it on. Okay, it's off. So all we gotta put is the time, right? So Michael says an hour and a half, Mike?
An hour.
Oh, you want an hour? Michael says an hour. Here we go. Oh, there you go. Uh-oh. So they're rotating, as you can see. See how I tie them up? So I put one on each side, and that's gonna spin there for an hour. And in an hour, we're gonna come back and we're gonna see what we got, okay, guys? So you stay tuned, don't go away, and let's see what happens in an hour from now. Over and out. Don't forget to subscribe. So me and Michael here were betting to see, because this machine is from 1999, this rotisserie, you know, but we wanted to try it, so we bought these two little birds, and it looks to me like they're starting to like cook, right?
They are.
But we're like being very careful. So you can see me, I'm sitting right here in the kitchen, Michael. You see, I'm sitting right here, I'm looking at that from over here. You can come over here and put the camera from behind my head so people can see what I'm seeing, you know, just being, you know what I'm saying, just being careful. And I have my my thing here in case that goes berserk or something, you know. Psh, I'll be putting that out, but you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. So I'm just keeping an eye on when it's done. Let's see what happens and how they come out. But it looks to me like it's working. It looks to me like they're, you know what I'm saying, browning. So we'll see. Let's see what happened, guys. So we put an hour, because that's what Michael said, an hour, and we still have 45 minutes to go. And it looks like it almost has been 13 minutes. It looks like it's starting to, you know what I'm saying, do its thing. So over now, guys, stay tuned, okay? Stay tuned, because we're coming back when these are fully cooked. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Wow, look at that. I didn't think what's gonna happen. Me and Michael been scared, right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
Because it's an old unit, so we didn't know. But look how that is dripping. Look at the drips of it. It gets really hot on the glass, like it says. And we still have what? We still have 1 hour left. So we put another half hour, like an hour and a half.
I put another hour.
So half
90
hour
minutes
has
total.
gone, exactly.
No.
Yeah.
Is it 90 minutes? Yeah, 90
It
minutes.
has been 30 minutes, so he still has like 1 more hour. That's just like all the drippings. Look at that, but it looks beautiful, right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
So over and out, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned, because when this is done, I'm going to serve one of those for my husband so he can eat it all. I don't think if I'm going to have any, but I will feed my husband and my son, Mike. Michael, you going to have one of them pollos?
Oh, yeah.
Michael's going to have one of them pollos. Over and out, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you all. Hey, over here. We'll be right back. So it's been like an hour and 15, 20 minutes, right? So we still have like what, 15, 20 minutes left? But look how beautiful, I mean, these guys are. I actually stopped it. I'm not like turning it around, you know what I'm saying? Because it says here you can pause it to sear, which it means to tan or cook the sides that are still wide on whatever it is that you have in there, whether it's a chicken, whether it's pork, whether it's beef. It doesn't matter whether it's a ham. But I mean, I'm like impressed. And oh, by the way, guys, sorry if you see a couple of wings later like they're missing. Well, it's because one fell and the other one I said, oh, let me try. But they shrunk. Of course they shrunk because they're still cooking. And look how beautiful they are. Yes, Michael? So in a few minutes, we're going to be taking that out. I'm just making these curly fries. And this is what I'm going to feed my husband, his curly fries. See my bag over there of curly fries. And his rotisserie pollo. rotisserie chicken, Michael?
Oh yeah.
If that's how you say it, that's how you say it.
That's right.
So I'm just turning my potatoes here so they can cook nice and crispy. And I'll see you guys in like 5 minutes, okay? So over and out. Don't forget to subscribe, people. Love you all. So what I'm gonna do, it still has like some minutes, but I think it's done because if I overcook it, right, Mike?
Yeah.
I'm gonna stop it right there. And I was
no heat,
thinking,
Mom, no heat.
excuse me, Michael. They're
me
done
take a picture
already.
of
As
that.
you can see, they're completely cooked.
Wow.
If you give me a second, hold on a second. I need to take another. Be careful, Michael, with the lid that is right there. Okay? I gotta take these potato fries out. So if you give me a second, I'll take all this stuff out. Yep. See? Give me a second. What we're gonna do is, okay, Michael, excuse me, because this is very hot. You gotta move. Like really, really, you have to move. It's so hot, I can't really, you know. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna carve it out. Yeah.
And how do you know it's fully?
Yeah.
Wow.
See? Yeah, it looks cooked to me because I mean, what are we gonna do? Are we going to like, you know what I'm saying? Hold on.
Just take a piece. To show everybody on a plate.
Okay. Wow, look at this. Wow. You know, that's what the part that is gonna like. Hold on a second. Let me put it in plate here. Come here, Mike. Wow, look at this. Look at that. This. Wow. Hey. This is delicious. Wow, God, I'm telling you. I'm doing that.
Very good.
Really, really good. So I'm gonna take it out. We're gonna come back after I put it. I'm gonna plate it. Put it in the plate, and then we'll come right back. Okay? So over and out. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll be right back. Stay tuned. So this is my delicious chicken, as you can see. We've been cutting it up here, and I had to cut it out of the thing because I can pull the rack, the thing where it was. I can pull it out, but I don't have the adequate gloves to take it out so I don't burn my hands.
That's right.
So what I did was, you see, I took some of the chicken, the breast, because, you know, my husband, all he likes is the white meat.
That's right.
So that's what I'm going to give him.
That's right.
So I'm going to bring this up for him, and I'm going to tell you guys right now. See me here? And then, right, Michael?
Oh yeah.
Oh, just magnificent. So with that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I enjoyed myself. Michael enjoyed himself.
Oh yeah.
We were staring at it. There was no fire, no emergency. Nobody got burnt. Nobody got hurt. But we got my rotisserie chicken. Here it is, and here I cut it. This is 1.5 chicken here, and this is the other breast that I put it there for my husband. I'm gonna give it to him with curly fries. So with that said, guys, I'll let you guys know. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Facebook, on YouTube, on Pinterest, on where else, Michael?
Tumblr.
Tumblr, and also Patreon if you want to donate $1, or if you don't want to donate, it's all good. We love you all, and I hope everybody enjoys this video. And remember, don't drink and drive. Everybody is crazy out there, so let's think positive and let's all love each other, and let's watch Cindy's Home Kitchen with these delicious recipes. So here we go. Have a great night. Enjoy yourselves, and don't drink and drive. Thanks for watching.